Tim Cook has done it again. Apple took the stage at the Worldwide Developers Conference on June 5, 2023, and wowed everyone by unveiling its first ever VR headset, the Vision Pro. The tech giant overwhelmed users with all the cutting-edge features it revealed. So for everyone who couldn't keep up with the presentation, here are 5 things you missed about the Apple Vision Pro release. Number 1. You can still talk to people. We've seen quite a lot of companies come out with their own version of a VR headset over the years, but Apple's Vision Pro truly is in a league of its own. The Vision Pro sets itself apart by allowing users to interact with their physical space while using the headset. And it's all thanks to a one-of-a-kind eyesight feature. VR headsets before Apple's version were more or less like goggles that block your vision, but not anymore. You can adjust the eyesight features according to your needs. Watching a movie, you can turn it all the way up and block around your surroundings. In a meeting, you can adjust the immersiveness with a knob, allowing you to both see augmented reality objects in your space and talk to your colleagues. Number 2. It's super easy to use. Like always, Apple has made sure to make the Vision Pro super simple to use, with intuitive hand gestures like a simple pinch of your hand for scrolling up and down. Navigation on Apple's latest device is a breeze. More importantly, users do not need to use another piece of hardware, making it all the more intuitive. Say you're using a MacBook at work with your Vision Pro. A quick look at your laptop and the Vision Pro will automatically display the Mac screen on the headset. This seamless integration of Apple's existing devices ensures increased productivity and convenience. It's an unparalleled user experience that can easily rival that of its competitors. And as further proof of the company's focus on alleviating its customers' users, Apple plans to offer the Vision Pro in bands for different head sizes. The tech giant will also be offering different lenses for people who might need them. Number 3. Watching movies. At the WWDC 23, Apple wowed everyone as it demonstrated what the Vision Pro can exactly do. One of the standout features that blew away audience members was the ability to enlarge the view on the Vision Pro so it feels like you're at the theater. Apple took the entertainment experience to new heights by introducing customizable background options for the Vision Pro. This feature allows users to set the stage and create a captivating atmosphere that complements the movie that they're watching. To make the experience even more engaging, the Vision Pro also comes with spatial audio, which truly captivates the essence of watching a movie at the cinema. That said, Apple has truly redefined how movie enthusiasts enjoy movies. Disney CEO Bob Iger gave a glimpse of what's in store for Star Wars fans at the end of Apple's presentation at WWDC 23. He showed exactly how fans can set a Star Wars themed background and keep up with the lore in a fun and innovative way. Number 4. Cutting-edge software. But the real star of the show is of course the Vision OS, the software powering the Vision Pro. Apple describes it as the first OS designed from the ground up for spatial computing. Built on the foundation of iOS and macOS, the Vision OS sets itself apart by incorporating a real-time subsystem dedicated to processing visuals on the AR headset. What's impressive is that the UI responds to natural light and casts shadows to help the user estimate distance. Since the VR is free from the usual 3-dimensional constraints, the Vision OS can help display apps at varying sizes. What's more, users will be able to access an exclusive set of apps called Unity apps, available at a brand new Apple Store that will be launched right with the headset. One iOS app will also be featured on the Vision Pro, and that's FaceTime. The video call platform will work by creating 3D avatars of your face, truly changing the landscape of video telephoning. Doing the work behind the scenes will be M1 Silicon, with the brand new R1 chip. This dual chipset combination will provide the necessary computation power and keep visual latency at the bare minimum. Number 5. Record 3D memories. By far, the most remarkable feature about the Vision Pro is the unique ability to capture photos. With Apple's headset, users will be able to add an extra layer to their precious photos. The groundbreaking front-end sensors capture 3D photos and videos, changing the way people create memories. Of course, you'll be able to view the photos anytime later on. Thanks to the Vision Pro's innovative technology, users will find themselves transported back to the moment. Apple showcased this mind-blowing feature at the conference, earning applause from the audience members. However, the tech giant did not specify whether these photos can be transferred across devices. Regardless, it's safe to say, Apple's Vision Pro is here to change the game completely as it hits the market in early 2024. That's all for today. Until next time.